let's dive into the world of algorithms and discover how they touch almost every aspect of our daily lives. Algorithms are like quiet helpers, working behind the scenes to make things run smoothly and decisions more accurate. We'll explore some key types today.
Starting with decision trees, think of them like a flowchart. Each branch represents a choice. It's a great way to visualize reaching a conclusion by considering different options.
Exactly. A practical example is how banks use decision trees. They classify loan applicants into categories such as low risk or high risk based on factors like credit history. It simplifies decision making and assessing credit risk.
Moving on to neural networks. These are inspired by our brains and process information through layers of interconnected nodes similar to neurons.
They've become essential for tasks like image and speech recognition. When your phone recognizes your face to unlock, that's a neural network at work.
Then there's clustering, which groups similar items together. Businesses use it for market segmentation, analyzing customer patterns to tailor marketing strategies.
And the result? You receive personalized ads for products you're actually interested in rather than random offers. Let's look at some real-world applications of these algorithms.
In technology, services like Netflix or Spotify suggest content based on what you've previously watched or listened to, thanks to recommendation algorithms. It creates a personalized experience. In healthcare, algorithms analyze patient data to predict disease risks. By evaluating factors like family history, they help in early intervention and personalization of treatment plans.
And in retail, algorithms manage inventory by determining how much stock to keep. This ensures popular items are always available, enhancing customer satisfaction.
These examples show how algorithms aren't just technical tools, they're vital in making industries more precise and efficient. They're reshaping how we interact with the world and innovate solutions.
To sum up, algorithms play a crucial role in many sectors, improving decision-making and offering personalized experiences. As technology evolves, understanding algorithms helps us stay informed and make the most of advancements.
Next, we'll explore how AI ethics play a role in our increasing reliance on such technologies. Ready to explore that?
So let's dive into the concept of algorithms. Imagine you're following a recipe to bake a cake. Just like a recipe gives you step-by-step instructions, an algorithm is a set of steps designed for computers to follow.
Exactly, Sarah. These instructions help computers perform tasks or make decisions automatically. And that's why algorithms are so important. They solve problems without needing a person to step in.
Right. Now you might wonder why algorithms matter. Well, they are the backbone of artificial intelligence. They help in automating tasks that would otherwise need a lot of repetitive human effort, boosting productivity and accuracy.
Let's look at some everyday applications. When you use your GPS to find the fastest route to a destination, algorithms are hard at work. They analyze traffic data in real time and guide you accordingly.
And have you noticed how social media shows you posts that you're likely to enjoy? That's because algorithms analyze your past interactions to curate your feed. It's all about making the experience personalized.
Online shopping is another great example. Those product recommendations you see? Algorithms again. They look at what you've browsed and purchased in the past to suggest items you might like.
Understanding algorithms isn't just about knowing how they work, but also appreciating the technology we use daily. It gives us insight into how these tools function and what they can and can't do.
Plus, it empowers us to make better choices about the tech we use. We can be more aware of privacy issues and understand how our data is being utilized.
That's true. Algorithms simplify complex tasks, making technology more user-friendly. They drive innovation in fields like healthcare and finance by optimizing tasks for better outcomes.
So, here's the key takeaway. Having a basic understanding of algorithms is vital for using technology effectively. It's also the first step toward exploring more advanced AI topics.
And with that, we've set the stage for a deeper understanding of AI and machine learning. Let's move on to our next topic, where we'll explore these concepts further. Today, we're going to explore decision trees, which are fascinating tools used in various fields to help us make decisions and predict outcomes.
Think of a decision tree like an actual tree. Each branch represents a decision point, leading to different possible results, much like how branches on a tree split off.
Exactly. They organize data and help forecast outcomes by mapping out options and their consequences clearly. This visual clarity is what makes them so powerful in decision-making.
Let's dive into where decision trees are commonly used. In healthcare, decision trees play a crucial role in diagnosing illnesses. Imagine a doctor analyzing symptoms to make an accurate diagnosis. They can use a decision tree to systematically consider each symptom and its implications.
Right. And when it comes to treatment choices, decision trees help doctors look at past cases and outcomes to decide the best course of action for current patients.
Moving on to finance, decision trees are instrumental in fraud detection. For example, banks use them to spot unusual transaction patterns that could indicate fraud.
And for credit scoring, decision trees help evaluate the risk of lending money by analyzing a person's financial history, offering a clear picture of potential risks involved.
In the realm of technology, decision trees help in sorting emails. Using them, email services can differentiate between spam and safe emails, ensuring your inbox stays clutter-free.
They also power recommendations on streaming services and shopping sites by suggesting movies or products based on your preferences, making personalized recommendations possible.
Now, you might wonder why decision trees are so important. One reason is their ability to make complex decision-making easier to understand by breaking it down into straightforward steps.
That's why they're widely used and trusted across different industries. Their transparent pathways make it easy for people to follow and understand the reasoning behind decisions.
Let's consider a real-life example. Imagine a doctor diagnosing a patient with multiple symptoms. They might start with a symptom like fever at the top of the tree. From there, branches could lead to cough or no cough, and each decision further narrows down the potential illnesses.
This methodical branching ensures an accurate diagnosis and effective treatment, showcasing the efficiency and reliability of decision trees.
So, to summarize, decision trees are essential tools in interpreting complex information, enhancing efficiency and accuracy across various fields. Whether it's healthcare, finance, or technology, they smooth out everyday operations. Up next, we'll explore another fascinating aspect of AI, but for now, let's take a short break to process what we've learned.
Let's dive into the intriguing world of neural networks, which are essentially computer systems inspired by the way our brains work. Isn't it fascinating how technology can emulate something as complex as our brain?
Absolutely. Neural networks are made up of nodes similar to neurons in our brains. These nodes are connected and work together to process information. It's like a conversation happening between them, allowing the system to learn and adapt.
That's right. And to get a clearer picture, let's think about decision trees. Imagine you're deciding whether to take an umbrella. You'd consider factors like whether it's cloudy or rainy. A decision tree works similarly by branching out based on conditions.
On the other hand, neural networks are more complex. They don't just branch out, they layer information to recognize and learn from intricate patterns. It's like how we learn from experiences, building knowledge over time.
Now, let's talk about where neural networks are making a big difference. In healthcare, for example, they analyze large sets of patient data to diagnose diseases early, acting like a digital doctor offering a second opinion. They can also help tailor personalized treatment plans.
In finance, they play a crucial role too. Neural networks can detect unusual patterns in transaction data to spot fraud. Plus, they assist in credit scoring by carefully evaluating customer data to make better lending decisions. It's like having a keen eye for risk assessment.
And in technology, they help keep our email inboxes clean by filtering out spam, much like a vigilant gatekeeper. They also assist with image recognition, tagging photos, and even powering facial recognition systems.
The significance of neural networks is truly vast. They drive AI progress, making machines smarter and more autonomous. By mimicking brain functions, these networks enhance automation and accuracy, leading to efficient outcomes across various industries.
Understanding neural networks allows us to innovate solutions to real-world challenges, improving lives and businesses. They are essential for modern technology, and their ability to learn and adapt makes them indispensable across multiple industries.
In conclusion, neural networks replicate aspects of brain function to interpret complex patterns. As we continue to explore and apply them, we unlock new possibilities in fields like healthcare, finance, and technology.
Ready to see how this exploration continues into other areas? Let's move on to our next topic. So let's dive into clustering algorithms. Have you ever thought about how some websites know what you'd like to see or buy next?
That's a great question. Clustering might seem like a complex term, but it's essentially about finding groups in data that naturally belong together. Think of it like sorting a basket of fruits. Without any labels, we intuitively group apples, oranges, and bananas based on their similarities.
Right. Instead of predefined categories, clustering algorithms look for patterns. It's like letting the data tell its own story. But why is clustering important?
Clustering helps us discover hidden structures in data. This is super useful when we don't know what categories exist beforehand. It's a bit like detective work, piecing together clues to see the bigger picture.
Now let's explore some real-world applications. In retail, clustering is used to understand customer behavior.
Exactly. Retailers often group customers by their shopping habits. For instance, if you buy a smartphone, clustering algorithms might predict you'd also be interested in buying a phone case. It's about anticipating needs and enhancing your shopping experience.
And in marketing, businesses use it to deliver targeted ads. Imagine a clothing brand grouping customers into those who prefer beachwear versus those who love hiking gear.
Yes, by tailoring messages to specific clusters, companies ensure their advertising is more relevant and engaging. Let's not forget about social media platforms. Clustering helps categorize content so your feed shows topics and posts that match your interests.
This personalization makes your online experience more enjoyable and keeps you coming back for more. Clustering is a powerful tool not just for businesses, but for users too.
And the benefits? Well, it enhances decision making, personalizes customer experiences, and boosts marketing efficiency. Instead of guessing, businesses can use data driven insights.
True. And the applications are everywhere. In e-commerce, platforms like Amazon use clustering to recommend products. In finance, banks detect fraud by identifying unusual spending patterns. Even in healthcare, clustering helps doctors classify patients by symptoms for better diagnosis and treatment.
Clustering turns raw data into valuable insights. By understanding these algorithms, businesses can improve user experiences and make strategic decisions. It's like setting the foundation for more advanced data analysis techniques.
Absolutely. Clustering opens doors to deeper insights and possibilities. So, are you curious about how this can transform other fields? Let's keep exploring. So, let's dive into the world of algorithms. Have you ever wondered what an algorithm actually is?
An algorithm is much like a recipe. Just as a recipe gives you step-by-step instructions to bake a cake, an algorithm provides a set of instructions for a computer to follow to solve a problem or perform a task.
Exactly. And we encounter these algorithms in our daily lives more often than we might realize. Take search engines, for instance. When you type something into Google, different algorithms work hard to figure out which results are most relevant to your search.
Another example is social media. Ever notice how your timeline shows posts that you're more likely to engage with? That's because algorithms analyze your interactions to decide which content to display.
And let's not forget online shopping. Platforms like Amazon suggest products that you might want to buy based on your past shopping behavior, all thanks to algorithms.
Algorithms are also fantastic at processing large amounts of data quickly, which enhances decision-making processes. For instance, in the financial markets, algorithms help investors by analyzing market trends to suggest the best times to buy or sell stocks.
Yeah, they add speed and efficiency to decisions that would otherwise take much longer for humans to process. But algorithms do more than just make decisions. They personalize experiences for each of us.
True. Streaming services like Netflix use algorithms to recommend movies or shows based on what you've previously watched and liked, ensuring your viewing experience is tailored just for you.
And online ads are targeted to suit your interests by analyzing your past online behavior, so you see ads that are most relevant to you.
But algorithms aren't just about personalization. They also streamline processes through automation. This reduces human error and boosts productivity across various sectors.
For instance, in manufacturing, algorithms optimize supply chain management to ensure materials are delivered efficiently, keeping costs down. In customer service, chatbots powered by algorithms can quickly handle customer inquiries with accuracy.
Beyond these sectors, algorithms have a real-world impact on the applications we use every day. Navigation apps calculate the quickest routes using current traffic data. Weather predictions rely on algorithms to analyze data and provide accurate forecasts.
In healthcare, they assist in diagnosing diseases by analyzing medical data, leading to more precise treatments. Understanding how these algorithms work is crucial in our tech-driven world.
Absolutely. Being aware of how algorithms shape the information we get and the choices we see can empower us to make better decisions in our digital lives.
So, to wrap it all up, algorithms play a vital role in modern society. They enhance decision-making, personalize our experiences, and improve efficiency across various industries. By knowing more about them, we can effectively leverage technology in our lives. Let's move on to our next topic: